who's back? Back again. Chazzy's back. Tell your friends.
Welcome back, guys, to another video. My name is Chaz Jones. Yes, you are in the right place, but yes, we are doing something different today. Today we have something different because the sneakers I ordered didn't get here yet. They are gonna be on the way. You'll probably see that video on Friday. But since those are not in the house right now, I will show you guys everything that I picked up since probably about last month. And yeah, let's get to it. This is just things that I picked up. Maybe you guys are interested in it, so let's get to it. So, you guys know I love cards. Update on the last pack that I got in, and I showed you guys. Actually made probably around, I made my money back on it by double. And that was actually a Christmas gift, so that paid for more than half of itself. So yeah, that one of the cards was worth around 200, I think now. If you guys can figure out what card that is, I will definitely shout you out in the next video. If you can go back to the video where I did that and tell me the exact card that's worth around $200 now, I will shout you out in my comments. Say whatever you want me to say about you. But no, let's get into what we got right here. So obviously you can guess what's in the bag now. Another pack. It's another pack of Dragon Ball cards. Like I told you, these are sentimental to me, so that's why I keep getting them. And this will be, now I think what I'll do from now on is get a pack of the new ones each time, go through them, probably look back eventually and see how much they're worth, or I will see maybe that day how much they're worth. Maybe I'll let you guys know, maybe I won't. But no, this is a fun and great activity, especially if you're into the whole card scene right now. Because the card scene right now is profit. If you guys, I feel like whatever card series you like will bring you money if you know what you're doing with it. So yeah, but let me get into this. No more talking. Get into this. I will be slowing down the camera on the best ones that I get and showing you guys. Yeah, just showing you guys the best ones. But yeah. Actually, guys, you know what I need? I need my handy dandy box cutter, and I got it, you guys. I watched too much Blue's Clues with my nephew. So let's get this opened up. It probably won't be a quick zoom on this one because this one is going to be harder to open because with this, the plastic is so much tighter to it that it's gonna be like you're not even seeing me cut anything on camera. And yeah, this pack is actually called the Vicious Rejuvenation pack. So yeah, if you guys know anything about Dragon Ball, I don't know why it's called that because I haven't been caught up on the new stuff as much, but definitely still here for all the cards. Just gives me so many memories, like I said in the past video. If you can tell me why it gives me memories, I will also shout you out for that. But yeah, let's get into here and see what I got. And for some reason, yes, guys, I done been to so many stores that I know how it's set up now. I know I have issues. Actually, the special black pack one, which is really weird to me. In the other packs, I have not seen that. So maybe this is a special one on its own. It feels like it's just one in there. So let's see. I don't know if this is a pack rare or a premium. It says it is a premium reboot fields or reprints or leaders. I can't. It just says PR on it, so I don't know what this is, but it's a pretty cool one. It's the first sideways one I've seen out of any of them, and I'll show you guys in a little picture of that. But that is definitely a dope one. So, all right, guys, and this is the last one I got from it all. You guys probably seen this scene way shorter, but this has been almost 15 minutes for me, or no, almost 17 minutes for me. So yeah, pretty much I will be showing you guys how. Ooh, and I think I just hit them on the last one. But got about a few cards that I think are going to be worth something. I'm going to look up their value at the end. On my personal time, you guys can look it up too. What I would be doing is you're probably seeing B-roll right now of all of them, just sitting out the ones that I think that are important. So you guys can look them up on your own time, see what you could have. And what I use is the TCGplayer.com, I think is what it's called. And what they do is basically tell you what the value of what you have is. So that's basically how I do this. That's basically how I know how much money I will be making off of this. And they have a seller portion where you can sell off there. You could take the prices that you see on there and sell it on eBay or something. Or you could go to a local card shop, and a lot of them actually accept cards. So basically I want to look these up later, see how much they're worth, determine if I want to hold on to them so they can grow to more. Because one of the cards that I have turned from $100 to $200. But yeah, it's a great way if you love cards and you know what you're doing to invest your money, and just basically invest your money, hold on to them, make a quick flip if you want to. Because basically, if I made $200 again off of this $80 pack, I just made $120 for basically for free. It really didn't hurt my pockets. So it's basically like real life, like an investment. So yeah, but we're gonna be moving on to the next thing, and I'll be showing you guys that. Like, all right, guys. So next thing is next. I actually have clothes. So everything that I'm gonna show you guys from this point on is gonna be clothes. Probably won't need to start with the shirt. Let me choose another one. So basically, these are all clothes that I picked up recently, and you probably see me wear some of them in videos that I've done. But let's get started on it. This is yeah, just stuff I picked up over the last month. But this is Kill Bill's shirt, one of my favorite all-time favorite movies. This is with her with I don't know what to call her. I'm gonna call her the bride, because you know everybody always complains about spoilers, and I guess you don't learn her real name until the second movie. So I'm just addressing her as the bride. This is when the bride was fighting against the Crazy 88, and it has the caption on it saying, "Those of you who are lucky enough to still have your lives, take them with you." And then it says the bride at the end. But yeah, no, this is definitely a dope shirt to me. Then it got the Deathless 5 for all the people she wants to get revenge against for. Well, this isn't a spoiler because it's in the beginning of the movie. Ruining her wedding, basically. And it's everybody who had a part in it. So, yeah. But no, this is definitely one of my favorite all-time movies. And I don't even consider it like a separate thing with 1 and 2. I just consider it Kill Bill. I just like watching them both all the way through. Definitely one of my favorite movies. But yeah, this was by Kill Bill and Huff. Huff actually collaborated with this, and rest in peace to Huff, because we lost him towards the end of last year, I think, or the beginning of this year. And I always would see people wearing Huff, and I had a blue Huff shirt that I sold back in the day, but it was sad to hear, especially because he was such an icon in the streetwear industry. If you can't lie and say you didn't see a guy with the big H belt. But yeah, no, Huff shirt, Kill Bill, probably one of my favorite pickups. Next thing is next, and that is, let me get that real quick, and that is this Adidas shirt. So this is basically just normal Adidas shirt with a mountain on it. I don't know where these coordinates are based, but I will tell you guys what the coordinates are. Maybe one of you guys can tell me in the comments. It says 49 degrees, 34 comma 5.875 quotation marks in north, 10 degrees, 52 comma 58.288 quotation marks east. So maybe you guys could tell me that. I think it's probably Mount Everest or something like that, or the Rocky Mountains, something. It's got to be something like that. But it says Adidas on the back, and it also again says the coordinates on the back. You guys can tell me what that means. Just drop it down below in the comment section. But I like this shirt because I needed more Adidas shirts, because I plan on getting more Adidas. I have the frills right now, and I'm looking as hard as I can. I'm thinking about getting those new Ultra Boosts. I'll put a picture right here. But no, those Ultra Boosts I really like. I like how they changed up the style, because usually I don't pay attention to them. But since they changed up the style, that's something that I'm interested in getting in for you guys, to show you guys in a review and give my thoughts on it. And yeah, but on to the next shirt. And I will be dropping where I got each of these shirts down below in the comments, guys. So don't worry about that. That will be down below where I got each of them from. And this is another shirt. And this is the start of the shirts to me that mean something because of Black History Month, especially because of my heritage. I am black. And to me, it's really important for me to give light to those people, because a lot of people don't. And like, even in school, when I was in school, they didn't even, and it was a predominantly black school, we didn't even learn that much about the people from our culture. So I feel like it's always important to shine a light on your own little piece of culture, and this is mine, and I love it. So this is the first shirt that has to do with black culture for me, and this is a Jimi Hendrix shirt. Do I need to say more about Jimi Hendrix? Basically made cool. And I know it's not looked upon as a black people thing anymore, but Jimi Hendrix and Little Richard and all those guys basically made rock and don't get the respect I feel like they deserve for it. But no, this is just a pink Jimi Hendrix shirt, and I'm probably doing side-by-sides now, so showing you guys what I'm wearing with it. But this is definitely dope. I had intentions of wearing this with the Air Max, the pink strawberry lemonade Air Max that I got. So yeah, you guys are probably seeing it right now. But this is definitely a dope shirt. I love the little chest piece logo, and then the rest is just pink. Didn't have any pink shirts, and I think pink is a really cool color. It's just how you pull it off. But yeah, Jimi Hendrix. And the next shirt is I don't want to go shirt first, so let me put this back. I'm going to go with this first. So the next few pieces I have is from a brand called Black Owned. And Black Owned is a company that is Black Owned and supports black creators and everything. And this is definitely one of my favorite brands. And it's a local brand in Cincinnati. You may have seen celebrities in it, from Dwayne Wade having, he had the hat on in one of his stories recently. Then you have Carlos Miller. He wears them every now and then. I know Cardi B signed the wall, so I don't know if I know she must have bought some from there, but I don't know if she's been pictured in it. But she has definitely went there and bought from there. But it's definitely a cool brand. I love them, and it's just nice to have something that supports black people and is black owned in our community. And I feel like if you guys want to, you should support it. I actually have a sticker I'll put somewhere and show you guys that, so you guys can know where to go to find the stuff that I've gotten. So first things first is this black owned hat. It's just a nice little knit hat, and let me make sure I know the materials. I don't technically know the materials, but I'll find it on their website and put what this hat is made of, or if they put it up there. But it's just a green hat. I needed something that was cool enough for me to put on, throw on like this, go outside, especially with it being cold, really cold in Ohio right now. It's perfect style for me. So yeah, on to the next thing. This is a really cool piece to me because people relate the Black Panther to us a lot, and I feel like this was a dope piece for them to put out. And on the back it says Black Owned. Black Owned, established 19XX, and it's got Black Panther on it. It says Black Owned 19XX, established 19XX, and then it says A State of Mind, which is really cool to me. I love this piece. It looks really dope. This is medium, and also, guys, I am around, I'm 5'11", 5'10"-ish, somewhere around that range, maybe even 6 foot. And then I am weighing about 155, so everything I got is a medium, so just go based off of that. Most of the stuff I got is a medium. I'll tell you guys if it's a different size down in the corner below. But yeah, this is definitely a dope shirt to me. It fits pretty good. And Actually, the next thing I got for you guys is what I'm wearing right now. This is actually a black-owned turtleneck sweater. This is the green one, and I really love it because it just fits good to the arms, not too tight on the body. This is just definitely dope, and it has a 9 on the back, and you guys are seeing it now. So, but this is definitely dope. It's warm. It's not too thick on the body. The neck part is thicker, which I love. It's not, even that's not too thick. It's just the fact that it's not doubled up, but folded over. And I definitely love this look. And then next, I will be showing you guys this. This is basically, I want to say this is a cream version. And this is super, super cool to me. I went there the other day and picked this up. This is one of my favorite pieces from them. Like I said, their stuff is super nice quality. I have no complaints about it. But yeah, that's basically the video, you guys. I know you guys are still seeing the B-roll probably, but no, go ahead and go support them. They are definitely a dope company. They're a chill place. When you go in there, they'll help you out right away. And it's definitely a brand I can support and get behind. But yeah, especially during Black History Month, guys, make sure you guys are shopping with Black people in the Black community, helping the Black community out. To me, that's one of the biggest responsibilities to me as a Black man, is to just shine light on our community and just try and get us as much help as we can and support each other. But no, the Black-owned brand is definitely a brand you can invest in and go see, and they're nice people. They actually have collaborations out right now with Bengals, so if you like the Bengals, that is something you can go out and check out. But thank you guys for watching. Let me know what your favorite piece of clothing is in this video. If you like the car stuff, make sure you guys make sure you guys subscribe to me, hit the bell, and hit the like button. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at samurai__Jones. Make sure you follow me on Twitter at thecareless_1. At me is something funny. That's what I'm gonna ask you guys to do this week. At me is something funny. If it's funny, I'll retweet it. But thank you guys for watching the video, and I will see you guys next time.